Hi and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered if your liver needs some extra support? Today, I'll share common signs of a sluggish liver and how to support it with herbs. Now, signs can include fatigue and bloating and acne and feeling off. And to give your liver a gentle reset, herbs like dandelion root and burdock root really work wonders. Now, dandelion root stimulates the bile flow for better digestion, and burdock root is rich in antioxidants to purify your blood. Now, to prepare a liver supportive tea, all you need to do is to add 2 cups of water to a pan, bring it to a boil and just reduce it to a gentle simmer. Add 1 teaspoon of dandelion root and 1 teaspoon of burdock root. And then you just want to just gently simmer this for 15 minutes. And then strain it and drink first thing in the morning for about 7 to 10 days. Now, starting a liver cleanse in November helps your body process heavier holiday foods more effectively. Now, you can find these organic and wildcrafted herbs at naturalworkshops.com and get 50% off to get you started. And if you're interested in natural well-being and wanting to support your health, please do join our Telegram group of natural health seekers, and I'll live stream there, and you can ask questions, engage in the community discussions, and really share your experiences. And if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please give it a like and share it with others as well. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos to support you with natural health and well-being solutions. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. But in the meantime, stay healthy, be happy, and always be wise.